Hey everyone, this is Ali with the Ali G Marketing coming to you live from New York City as I always do. And today I'm bringing you an outstanding product which I'm happy to say I've never seen out there in the marketplace. This is a unique product that I had developed for my own business, which has been bringing a solution for my own business and now also my clients, both online and offline businesses. This is something, it's a WordPress plugin called WordPress Time Trigger. It's a very unique solution. It's a powerful plugin that allows you to instantly inject a sense of urgency to your sales letters, webinar pages, upsell pages, squeeze pages, opt-in pages, and along with pre-launch pages. And now I've been using it along with my clients as well, both online and offline businesses. Everybody knows that urgency increases your overall conversions, and conversions overall increasing conversions means increased revenue. So let me get right into it. This is a very simple to use plugin. And that's something that I pride myself in, as many of you know from our last product launch, WordPress Video Commando, which was a tremendous success. Everybody always said that it was extremely easy to use. The worst thing is that you get promised the world and then you get a product and you feel like you need to go to school again to just learn it. Okay, so I'm going to get into it. I'm going to show you the plugin section first, and you'll see that I had the plugin already installed, and it's very easy to install. You basically select the zip file from your computer and you install it, quick and easy. It's done. You activate it. As you can see, it's already been activated in my system over here because the deactivate is the only option you see. Okay, now you can add this to any of your posts or pages whenever you'd like on any of your WordPress sites. Now remember, this is as a developer license, okay? So this means that this could go on any of your sites and also any of your client sites, okay? So this is going to bring major added value to what you do, okay? So let's just go to the post section, and I'm going to add a new post, okay? So I'm going to name this post WordPress Time Trigger Demo, okay? And once it's been installed, you will see this little icon over here that says Insert Countdown button. It's got a 2 and an 8 on it, okay? Basically like a calendar. And once you select that, this is the plugin itself. This is a very simple to use dashboard, okay? There's a bunch of options to choose from, which I'm going to get right into. Okay, right off the top, there's a fixed and evergreen option. Most people will go with the fixed option because they have a set date and time in the future where the countdown will expire, and that's where the marketing features come into play. Okay, so now you'll see over here that when you pick the fixed option, over here you'll have a calendar pop up. When you have the fixed option, this is the option that pops up. When you pick the evergreen option, this is the option that pops up. Okay, so with the evergreen option, that is very unique, and I'm happy to say it makes this plugin quite special. All your visitors on your sites will have a unique countdown experience with the evergreen option. All you have to specify is the days that you want them to count down. So if it's a 48-hour countdown, you'd specify 2 days. So whenever the visitor goes to your site, they see that the 48-hour mark is being counted down from, and that's a unique offer to them. Okay, so that in itself is unique. I'm just going to demonstrate the fixed option right now, and I'm going to pick a date and time in the future, which is the Mayan calendar end, which is December 21st at 12 p.m. And I'm going to get done with that. Okay, now another marketing feature which is tremendous is that you have this after expiration action button here. Okay, after the expiration of the countdown, it will normally hide the countdown, which A, makes you look way more professional. Because the worst thing is that when you go to a website and they said, oh, we have a countdown and it's going to expire on such and such date, you go there, the website still exists, the countdown's zeroed out, no real difference. You can still do whatever you want. So that makes you, in the internet marketing world, the software world, in your own business realm, it doesn't make you look too professional. Okay, so that in itself is tremendous. But then also one of the best things is having a redirect from the countdown. So when the countdown ends, you can redirect them to any site. So let's just say, for example purposes, Google.com. Okay, now you could of course have it into another sales funnel as well. Oh, guess what? You missed out on the on this deal, but, and of course you fill in the blank. Okay, there's also an alignment feature of the countdown, which means they could have no alignment to the left of the page, center of the page to the right of the page. Okay, so that right there, that gives you more options. And there's also the styles of the options. Okay, now as you'll see over here, the custom is the one that's already picked. Okay, you can select from the size, everything from ultra small, as you'll see in the preview, to very large. Okay, you can change the colors very effectively and easy. Okay, I honestly couldn't imagine it being any simpler. That's that. I mean, you could change the color of the number, everything from the shadow as well. You could add animations for the seconds. Let's just say, somebody doesn't know what this means. You could display the text. So now they know that this is days, hours, minutes, seconds. Okay? And let's just say the way it is, I'm going to keep it the way it is. And I'm going to insert it. Okay? So now I already inserted it. It inserts a shortcode into my WordPress site. I saved the draft. And let's just say, it's saved. And now I'm going to preview it. Okay? Look at that. See? So now the countdown is set for December 21st at 12 p.m. and it's going to expire. And once it expires, it goes to the website I specified, which is google.com. Okay, so let's just say you want to see that in action right now. Okay, so I'm going to erase this over here. I'm going to go back into this over here, and I'm going to pick the same dates again, 21st at 12 p.m. Done. Okay. And I don't want the countdown to hide. I want it to go to a different link, www.google.com. Actually, to make the point here, I'm gonna have it expire now. Okay, so now the countdown's been expired. Okay, so I have that. Okay, and so animation for seconds. Sure, I want that to be displayed, and I want this to be very large. Okay, whatever. So I insert that. Oh yeah, I forgot to add HTTP. There we go. Now we're all good. Okay, and it tells you that. Insert. Okay. Now I'm going to save the draft. Okay, and now I'm going to preview it. Now watch what happens when I preview. Okay, it goes to the site and automatically redirects to google.com. Okay, so that right there is actually a tremendous benefit. You can actually put people that missed out on your offer, or your client's offer, or an offline business that you had that had a sale, and now they have a backup offer for those people that are visiting the site. So this right here is huge to have. Okay, I'm gonna get back into it again, and I'm going to show you all the other designs that are available. Okay, the one that we just showed you is the custom design, but there's also the LED glow design, which gives you a very unique look. This digital design that we custom made. Okay, there's also a Western design, which gives you a Wild Wild West feel. Okay, these are all animated, so everything looks very clean. There's a flip design, this like digital futuristic submarine type of design. Okay, there's also a large flipper design, and there's also a text inline option, which I think is very, very unique. I'm gonna just show you real quick. I'm gonna select the same date, the 21st, 12 p.m. Okay, done. Okay, and just keep everything the same. The alignment. Okay, yeah, that's fine. And this is text inline. So basically, this is gonna add a countdown to any text in your site. So the countdown is embedded into the text, and it looks extremely professional, and it matches the font and whatever the color is of the surrounding text. So as you'll see over here, I'm going to preview it, and it's just very simple. This 9 days, 6 hours, 2 minutes, and it's counting down 17 seconds, 16 seconds, and so forth. This is something that will easily be embedded to any of your sites text. Okay, so right there is a huge feature. Okay, so I hope everyone understands all these powerful features of WordPress time trigger. But one of the main things which I love is the fact that aside from all these designs that you could change some of the colors and the sizes, is the fact that it's synced to world time servers. So that means that whatever the time is in the world, or whatever local time is set for the visitors, that doesn't matter. The world time, the set time in the world, according to world time servers, is what it goes by. Okay? So you'll never be off on any of your product launches or any of your client product launches. And that in itself has a price which I'm sure is hard to convey. All right, so I hope everyone here sees the power of this remarkable tool and how easy it is to use and implement. And ease of use is something that we've always prided ourselves in, and we're going to continue to do so. And remember, as our last software had one-touch updates, the same thing goes for WordPress Time Trigger. If there's any updates or any suggestions that you guys have, we will update the software and it'll be one click right through your WordPress dash. You don't have to download anything. You don't have to go out of your way, unzip anything, or add anything to any folders. Okay? So I hope everyone here understands the power of WordPress Time Trigger, the effectiveness of what urgency brings, the increased conversions that always happen. And as I always say here at Ali G Marketing, we're always trying to take things to the next level.